Shalom, my name is Dror Tamir, co-founder and CEO of Hargol FoodTech, the world's first commercial grasshopper farmer. I'm a serial entrepreneur in nutrition and food, and with a successful exit under my belt. We all know that global demand for protein is expected to double by 2050. And we also know that existing protein sources have their limitations. Plant protein requires heavy processing, while meat protein is harmful to the environment. So we all understand that the demand for high-quality, sustainable protein alternatives will skyrocket over the coming years. But they too have their limitations. For example, algae suffers from distinctive taste, while cultured meat is years away from becoming commercially viable. Insects has been attracting a lot of attention, and in particular, crickets. But they too have their own set of problems. First, they don't fit intensive farming because they act as individuals and die at high density. Secondly, they suffer from a very distinct taste and flavor, making them a difficult ingredient to work with. So the solution is grasshoppers, with a whopping 72% protein content, with all essential amino acids, and without saturated fat or cholesterol. They are a wonder product. They're also neutral in taste and flavor, making them a perfect ingredient for energy bars, shakes, and other products. And most importantly, grasshoppers' tendency to swarm, making them best suited for intensive farming. At Hargol FoodTech, we invented a new way of farming grasshoppers, and it is phenomenal. We grow grasshoppers all year round, when others can only do it seasonally. We reduced the eggs hatching period in our incubators from 40 weeks to 2 weeks, increasing the number of life cycles from 1 to 10. And the cage we developed for vertical farming enables growing 10 times more biomass per square foot, while maintaining sanitized and well-ventilated environment for the grasshoppers. With Hargol's innovation, grasshopper farming is efficient and scalable. In 2016, Hargol established world's first commercial grasshopper farm in northern Israel. Our grasshoppers are thriving. We are about to make first shipments to US food manufacturers. And it's not only the US. We just received an inquiry from France for an order of 4 tons of grasshoppers to be delivered as soon as practically possible. The market opportunity is huge. 4 years ago, the insect protein market was zero. Today, it is a $100 million business. And in 5 years' time, it is a $1 billion market. Most surprisingly to us, and the best compliment we received came from our competitors, the cricket farmers, that made inquiries about adopting our technology to grow grasshoppers or become our distributors. And it gets even better, as grasshoppers are the perfect food for pets. Let me introduce you to the team that cracked the grasshopper code. Hanan Aviv, our CTO, that for over 30 years has been growing, breeding, and eating a wide variety of insects. And this is probably why he's the only guy with hair on his head. Ben Friedman, that specializes in operations efficiency, and myself, Dror Tamir, with experience in business development, marketing, and finance. We are also collaborating with leading entomologists and nutritionists from the academy. In the past 100 days, we closed a round of funding to increase our production capacity. And we secured regulatory compliance with the US market. And with the assistance of the Alltech team in strategy, pricing, and nutritional analysis, we are now market ready. In 30 days, we will be shipping first orders to US customers. If you develop protein products and are the kind of producer that wants to be first to market with a unique and innovative product, we have something for you. My name is Dror Tamir, and this is Hargol FoodTech, world's first commercial grasshopper farm. If you're hungry for more, come talk to me later at the bar.